guys, and today it's actually my video because I don't have my camera today, and we're using his camera because I left mine at the old house and we're at the new house, and I have 4 fidget spinners. These are mine, and he only has 1 because, and this one's actually his. He gave it to me because I gave him a Lego. And check that video out. That video is gonna be in the comment section. And let's see if we can get like 50,000 likes on this video.
Bruh, look at this dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Hey guys, this is Fidget Spinner Kids, and today we're doing fidget spinner battles.
Yeah.
So, first match, which one's the first match?
Welcome, Fidget Spinner Club. This is Serenity, that's Jameer, this is Tristan, and I'm Manny. So this is the first video of, we're going to show you our collection of the Fidget Spinner Club. So, Tristan's going to show you all of his fidget spinners.
Hi people, this is the metal fidget spinner. It's gold. I got $15 from 7-Eleven. This is the green metallic one. I got this fidget spinner for $8 from the 7-Eleven near Food Lion. The 7-Eleven near Wendy's. Spinner from a 7-Eleven. It was $8, which I don't know what 7-Eleven it was from. Wait, actually I do. It's from the 7-Eleven near my house. And Batman one from the 7-Eleven near.
Look at that. Okay. Now, you're getting this away for a sec. We'll introduce your thing. So that's why I call it a fidget spinner, because it spins.
No shit.
Let's see how long this can spin.
Alex, look! Ah! What is that? It's called a fidget spinner. It's my new favourite thing to do. Ah! See, I have the power to just fling people away that annoy me. I don't need to be a mage. I don't need to be a wizard. Ah-hoo! I have a fidget spinner!